Good morning，这第3天，我们在收拾最后的东西，准备要出发回程。从麻坡，我们会先到马六甲，然后才回芙蓉。前一个晚上下了雨，现在满地都是水。早餐，这个是菜龟，
像饺子这样。
I'm not thinking about the way you keep my world from spinning. I'm just thinking about your eyes. Just don't know if I've been faking or pretending, but I know I never felt so damn alive. I don't know if I believe the information given, that there is someone by your side. Coming back inside my body for a second, there is no way that I'm never gonna try. Hello, where you at, where you been, tell me everything about you. Go slow, so I can write it down and become the perfect man for you. What you like, what you don't, you should never be flying so low. Hop into the cockpit, I can be your rocket. Hey, fly. So what if you been sitting there and thinking all this time? What's your mind's at? Been telling you to make you believe that the right guy ain't right here, right now, right here. I'm not thinking about how long it's gonna take now. I'm just thinking about our lives. You and me just laying blankets on a beach, and then at night I'll sing your favorite lullaby. I'm so glad I didn't give up.
有彩虹啊！是下着毛毛雨，现在雨点开始慢慢变小。
So I can write it down and become the perfect.
我们现在向着马六甲市区方向前进。
You should never be flying so low. Hop into the cockpit, I can be your rocket. Hey, fly. So
来到了
啊，
刚才你看到没呢？
走。
what's your mind?
安全的情况，我们看到美景也会突然停下来。
Telling you to make you believe that the right guy ain't right here. Every single
现在去一个小沙滩走走看看，雨完全停了。目前这样的温度还不错，25度左右。班代西岭
heals me when you
，turn left， yeah。
take flight. So what if you been sitting there and thinking all this time? Oh, what's your mind's at? Been telling you to make you believe that the right guy ain't right here, right now. I will be right here, right now. I will be right here, right now. I will be right here, right now.
已经接近马六甲市区了，红绿灯超级多的地方。
们在这边等了应该有至少半个小时啊，就是为了没有人的一张照片，太多游客了。 牛家餐38臭豆虾，一般上都是臭豆多过虾。你看这个虾，它量多，而且很大只。我们已经吃掉一部分了，它还有这样多，虾也很新鲜。一流，很不错。 非常推荐这一家，它的食物啊，服务都很好。现在我们吃完东西之后，我们要到下一点那个椰沙冰。大热天这种最好喝的，还是把椰肉、冰块啊之类的放下去搅碎它。
是不是很像你的 ice cream 搅散的更好喝
？vanilla 嘛，vanilla ice cream，
可以。有机会来这边给他帮。
在地人推荐。
那我那个刷包啊，调整一下。
不要跌啊！我教你了。太阳出来了。这个比较阴凉的加油站，等下再继续我们的行程。 最后一次水，剩下最后的32公里左右就回到了。今天天气算蛮不错啊，没有这样热。
This is hilly, right? It's tough, but I believe all cyclists love it, right? Once you found the technique, you can climb, keep climbing non-stop. But if you found the technique, if not, of course, you're suffering. So just have to find your own rhythm, your own pace, then your own cadence that synchronize with your heartbeat. Yep. No secret. Just have to keep training, keep practice, keep training. Nothing else.
刚想拍一个云，现在被树遮挡了。像不像一个人在游着自由泳？最后20-30公里的路线就是一直这样子，上上下下。还好今天的天气不会太热。差不多到了，最后1-2公里。可是导航把我们带进来这些全部斜坡的住宅区路线。爽啊！转右啊，等一下。终于骑到了131公里，全部都是汗。3天的 trip 就这样了，拜拜。